What's up, everybody? Today is our last day at Disneyland, and then after this we're gonna go California Adventure, but right now I'm gonna go wake up the kids.
Yo, what's up, everybody? We're the RCs, and after years and years of dreaming about getting a van and traveling all over America, we finally did it. We bought a van. So follow us on our journey as we drive state to state, eating the local foods, seeing the best views, and creating memories that'll last a lifetime. This is RC's Adventures. Hey, you ready to go to Disneyland?
Yes.
Hey, Joshy.
What?
You ready to go to Disneyland?
Yeah.
Jazzy. You ready to go to Disneyland? Hey. Whoa. Hey. You ready to go to Disneyland? Let's go. Good morning.
Good morning.
Ready to go to Disneyland? Uncle Mookie is on his way.
Uncle Mookie?
Mm-hmm. Oh, you got up fast after you heard Uncle Mookie.
I love Uncle Mookie.
I love Uncle Mookie too.
Let's check for already.
Whoa! Look who rolled up.
What's up, little man?
What's up?
Ow.
It's Uncle Mookie.
Hey. So there's only one rule in this car. There are no rules.
Who's ready for Disneyland?
Me.
Who's ready for Star Wars?
Me.
What are you guys ready for?
Rise of the Resistance.
So keep going straight.
Yeah, go right.
Right here?
Yeah,
Here we go. Here we go.
Yeah, there.
parking. Left.
What is this, slow car day?
Nah, this is fast. I got like 5 lanes. Parking at Disneyland.
This ain't Disneyland. This is Disneyland.
Hello. Hey, no rush, baby.
Cussing is bad.
All right. We park right here?
Yep.
All right. There we go.
We just parked and this is the parking lot.
We just get some snacks. We bought our snacks from the supermarket. Because, dude, a cup of soda in Disneyland is $4.99.
Security check. Looks like we're gonna have to ride on the monorails if you're coming from the parking lot. Thank you. Mark got that California discount, so they had to check. They gotta check his California ID.
We're in Main Street, where the main thing happens. Let's go to the castle.
It's so nice to see you. Why don't we get some portraits all together?
Say bye.
Oh, Princess, come on in, everyone. Having a good day? Oh, that's wonderful to hear. Goodbye, big princess.
We get snacks.
Oh, yeah.
You want something? How does it taste?
Delicious. Yeah, I'm gonna be fine on Rise of the Resistance.
120 minutes for waiting.
We got a water fountain here in line. Right now the ride stopped. I am not leaving this spot though.
See, a slow montage is starting right now.
Let's go after all right. Tell me what's the point.
Waiting 20 minutes now.
Look at my pictures, man.
Yeah, boy, we're moving.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Recruits, thank you for joining the cause.
Stand clear.
Recruits, right this way.
Part of the resistance.
Yes, I'm Black Leader. We're picking up an unusual signal.
You will all disembark down the ramp and to your right for interrogation. Now.
We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
I am so speechless. But that was insane. But good.
How was it, Jesse? Thumbs up? Cool. There's R2D2.
Oh yeah, everyone stand very still. Put out your hands like so. He's doing a group scan to make sure none of you are first order operatives.
Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. Take them out! They've not got to us. Take evasive action! It's You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud.
How was it?
Good. Hey, what are we going on next?
Next ride, my favorite ride, the food line.
Very nice.
I want a Coca-Cola.
That's what we do. That right there is a Ronto wrap.
This is Dr. Pepper and this is Coca-Cola. So find the Dr. Pepper. Wait, he's right here. Come on, he can't be slacking.
Try it, Joshi. Tell me what you think.
It tastes like coffee, but like with no hot.
Like an iced coffee.
Bye, Pop.
Bye, Disneyland. It's nice to see you again. Till next summer.
What's that big lip for?
Naughty daddy.
Hey, Ray, you got my backpack? Of course I got my backpack.
One moment, young one. That is not your life. You're looking for adventure or looking for trouble. Looks like we've got a future stormtrooper.
It's hot, quick, it's hot. It's hot. You know what's my favorite part?
What?
Buying those sodas for $8.99.
Yeah, go ahead. You fell asleep? What the heck? Look at these kids.